Hey guys, and welcome to the Hackinon's YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to iterate over two lists parallelly in the Python programming language. Let's say we have a situation where we've got this Python list where the first one is got the name of f underscore name, which means the first name, and it's got certain names of people, for example, Kevin, Keith, and Carl. And we've got another list which has its age attribute, and each age at the similar index corresponds to the name of the person. For example, Kevin has an age of 19, Keith has an age of 20, and so on. And what we want to do is we want to iterate over these lists simultaneously. Well, Python makes it easy, and we can do that using the zip function. So basically, the zip function takes two lists as an argument and can iterate over them continuously. So let me show you its working example. So now all we need to do is we need to create an iterator. So for that I'll say for name, comma, age in. Instead of using the normal for loop syntax, we'll add the zip function, and now we will call the list names. The first one is f underscore name, and the second one is age, and that's it. Now all we need to do is we need to print its iteration, that is name, comma, age, and that's how simple it is. So let me just run this, and wonderful, we've seen how to print them within the same set of iterations. So you can also make some changes, like you can format them using the dash symbol, and now it's a bit pretty much formatted. So it just points to like Kevin has got an age of 19, Keith 20, and Carl 12. Well, let's think of the situation where the data inside the list do not match the length with each other. For example, there are three names in this list, but the age corresponding to them is 4, which means there are 4 ages. So let's see how will the zip function handle this problem. And if I run this, as you can see, the zip function will simply iterate up to the element of the list which has less number of items. Since the first name list had 3 items, it only iterated up to that point, and it did not iterate, and that is why 34 wasn't present inside the output window. So that's pretty much from this quick video. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the Hackinon's YouTube channel, and we'll be back soon with more fun and interesting videos.